Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Honghu Body Camera. Honghu Body Camera records clear HD video footage. Enjoy full HD recording function, photo function, recording function. Built-in 4 pieces high-intensity LED night vision lighting. In the pitch black darkness, up to 5 meters or 16 feet of clear video, you don't worry about losing any detail under your 12 million pixel footage. And with no worries about video safety and memory space, the cam will save them auto, and the H.264 MOV format will save them efficiently. Body camera with 1080p recording. All could replay by the 1.4-inch high-quality LED screen. The mini body camera supports real-time playback and managing the recorded video/audio/photos on the body camera freely. No worry about the hassles to look for a PC for playback. Detailed menu for you to switch, so easy to control the body camera. Offer inverted screen switching mode, support power display, control loop time set. Body cam adjusts the lens direction to your demand, ensuring the cam will not record at a wrong angle. Rotation to capture valuable moments of your daily life and amazing travels. The video camera has different ways to wear. It can either be clipped on your backpack or put in your pocket. Suitable for a variety of scenarios: pet filming, outdoor sports, meetings, lectures, hiking, takeout, delivery, evidence collection, daily proof, and police body camera. Our second best body camera is Xadbospo Body Camera. Xadbospo Body Camera combines high-quality optical glass and multi-layer coating technology to ensure the recording quality. Video can be captured accurately and clearly by it. Through the 1080p sensor, you don't worry about losing any detail under your 12 million pixel footage. And with no worries about video safety and memory space, the cam will save them auto, and the H.264 format will save them efficiently and help you save more space extra for recording. Body camera with 1080p recording. All could replay by the 1.4-inch high-quality LED screen. Ensure accuracy for your live recording angle, and easy your footage replay and delete instantly without a laptop/cell phone, PC. Detailed menu for you to switch, so easy to control the body camera. Offer inverted screen switching mode, support power display, control loop recording by 1/2/3/5 of a minutes, timestamp set, and quickly resetting the body camera. Body camera with a 180 degrees rotatable/120 degrees lens that can adjust the lens direction to your demand, ensuring the cam will not record at a wrong angle, miss the important evidence. And motion detection can help you save more power and memory space when you don't need to record all the time. No matter the place and day/night, the body cam's 4 pieces fill lights can light where you are, offering you a colorful night vision. Third choice in our list is Konkoyo Body Camera. With the body camera, you'll be able to capture every moment with stunning clarity. The 1080p video resolution ensures that every detail is captured. The system comes with playback software, and the recordings can be played back through the 0.8 inches high-quality LED screen. Ensure the accuracy of your on-site recording angles, and you can easily play back and delete shots immediately without a laptop/mobile phone, PC. The Konkoyo body camera comes with a massive 256GB max memory, so you can record hours and hours of footage without having to worry about running out of space. Plus, with the included 64GB super high-speed memory card, you can store even more footage. The Konkoyo body camera is designed with convenience in mind. The 180 degrees rotatable lens and upgrade rotate clip magnetic attraction allow you to capture footage from any angle, while the auxiliary light at night, key function and LED screen make it easy to use in any situation. Whether you're a police officer, security guard, or simply someone who wants to capture important moments, the Konkoyo body camera is perfect for you. Use it for enforcement, security, home protection, outdoor activities, travel, camping, wristwatch, bike, cycling, and more. Number 4 on our side is Vidcastive Mini Body Camera. This is perfect for meetings, travel, hiking, camping, indoor/outdoor security, personal safety, and law enforcement. Capture your footage from any desired angle effortlessly, thanks to the 180 degrees rotatable lens. Adjust it to your preferred position and ensure that you never miss a moment, whether you're recording your thrilling outdoor activities or monitoring your surroundings discreetly. With a powerful 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, this portable body cam provides an impressive 6 to 8 hours of continuous recording time, allowing you to capture your entire adventure or monitor your surroundings without worrying about running out of power. Immerse yourself in stunningly clear and vibrant video footage, as this mini body camera captures every detail with its high-definition 1080p resolution, ensuring exceptional visual quality. This feature-rich body-mounted camera offers a multitude of functions to suit your diverse needs. Switch effortlessly between video recording, photography, audio recording, and playback modes. Capture breathtaking videos, snap high-resolution photos, record important audio, and review your footage instantly with ease. Last in our top 5 best body camera list is Ovil Mini Body Camera. The Body Spy camera can be used directly after being received. No need to buy another storage card. You won't waste your time and energy buying memory cards. Support up to 128 GTF card. The Spy Cam doesn't support Wi-Fi in-app. It is very suitable for the environment without a network. You can take it to any outdoor place without any network restrictions. The videos are saved in the memory card. When viewing the videos, connect to the computer to view with a data cable or the card reader. Note, please use a player that supports AVI format. It is possible that some players will display a black screen and no image. The hidden camera built in a 64G card. Lightweight and compact mini body camera full HD videos, providing more high-quality visual details during day and night 6 feet or distance. Better to feel the vivid world. It has the motion detect option. Tough and durable design, it's slim enough that it will fit nicely in a pocket. A powerful 1200 mAh battery lets you record footage for up to 6 hours in a row, enough to get through multiple shifts without needing to worry about battery life. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.